Today we're going to be preparing a chicken and mushroom stir fry, and for a delicious side dish we're also going to be preparing the Knorr Teriyaki Noodles. This is a simple, convenient and low-cost meal prep option for all you quarantine chefs out there. I don't know if you weren't cooking before, like me. You're going through a little tough time right now, I know. So this would be the perfect choice for you when you're doing your grocery shopping. So let's get started. I did mention that this is going to be a simple meal prep. All we need for the teriyaki noodles are two basic ingredients: 1.5 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. First step is to bring the water and vegetable oil to a boil. Just throw that in there. So our water is boiling and we're going to throw in the teriyaki noodle mix. And you also have the option of using margarine if you don't have vegetable oil. You just want to give this a little stir. So this meal option takes 7 minutes to prepare, and you also have the option of microwaving it, which is perfect for those of you that still have to go to work. And while this is boiling, we're going to get started on the chicken and mushroom stir fry. First step is to add the oil to the pot. And as soon as the oil is ready, we add the chicken. So as the chicken is cooking, you want to stir it a little bit to make sure it cooks evenly and the color on the outside is consistent. So next step is to add a sprinkle of salt, some black pepper, and some soy sauce. Our next ingredient is garlic and ginger, which we're going to throw in now. We didn't add it earlier because we didn't want it to burn too much in the pot. We have the garlic and the ginger mixed together. And we will also throw in some chili peppers. And again, give it a stir. And let's throw in the mushrooms. And of course we want to give it a stir so it soaks up some of this sauce in the pot. Okay, our Knorr Teriyaki Noodles have been cooking for 7 minutes. So it's done now and it looks and smells great. Our chicken and mushroom stir fry has about 2 more minutes of cooking time, so we're just going to leave it to simmer for a little bit. And while that is happening, you're going to prepare some bok choy. First step, add the oil to the pot. Now this literally takes no time to cook, approximately 30 seconds. So you don't have that much more prep time. Just gonna sprinkle little salt on top. And yeah, it's done. It's literally 30 seconds of cooking time. So let's go back to our chicken and mushroom stir fry, which also seems to be ready. So I am going to just throw in some thyme, dry thyme. Give it one last stir. So for those of you who don't know your way around the kitchen and don't cook often, like me, this meal is really, really simple and quick to make. As you can see, you have your teriyaki noodles, which took 7 minutes, the chicken and mushrooms, that was about 10 minutes, and your bok choy as your vegetable side, that was literally 30 seconds of cooking time. So now you have a tasty meal, which is great for lunch or your dinner options. Oh my God, it's really awesome, guys. Really simple ingredients, guys, nothing too fancy, and you have a total of 30 minutes of preparation and cook time. You can't go wrong with that. Thanks, guys, for joining in on our episode for the quick and easy meal prep of the teriyaki noodles and the chicken and mushroom stir fry. We also want to thank Knorr for sponsoring this episode. All of Knorr's sauces and sides can be found at supermarkets nationwide. So now I'm going to go back to enjoying my meal, and I hope that you try it out soon, because as you can see, it's really quick, really simple, not much prep time and not much cooking time. So let me go eat and I hope you'll try it out soon. I think you should. Later.